In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figma prototypes to your Behance presentation. We're going to take your interactive Figma prototype and place it directly inside a Behance project so viewers can click through and experience it in real time. This is a clean, professional way to showcase your UX flows and design decisions without forcing people to leave your portfolio. Start by opening the Figma website and navigating to the specific file and page that contain the prototype you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the prototype view for the exact flow you want to present. If you have multiple flows, select the one that best represents your work for this project so you keep the Behance presentation focused. Next, click the Share button in Figma. In the sharing window, find the option that says Get Embed Code, then click it and copy the entire code that appears. This snippet is what allows Behance to display your prototype interactively. If you ever find that viewers can't see the prototype later, double-check your Figma sharing permissions to ensure it's accessible to anyone with the link. Now head over to the Behance website. In the top right corner, click Share Your Work and select Project. This opens the project editor where you'll assemble your presentation. In the editor, choose the Prototype option. This is the dedicated space for interactive embeds, and it ensures your prototype loads properly on the page. Paste the embed code you copied from Figma into the field provided. After you paste, give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a little while to load, so be patient and let Behance process the preview. Once it finishes, you should see your Figma prototype appear right in the editor, ready to interact with. At this point, you can enhance your project around the prototype. Add a clear title, a concise description that explains the problem, your role, and the goals, and sprinkle in a few images or captions to guide viewers through key screens. Keeping your text scannable and your visuals consistent will make your presentation feel polished. If the embed area allows resizing, adjust it so the prototype is easy to view without excessive scrolling. When everything looks good, click Publish. Behance will take a moment to finalize your project, and then your interactive Figma prototype will be live and ready to share with clients, recruiters, and your design community. That's it. You've successfully embedded a Figma prototype into your Behance presentation, creating a smooth, professional showcase of your work.